Oh, hello there. This is Shannon Bowdy with SLO Happy Homes of Keller Williams, and I'm outside our incredible listing at 1731 Pomeroy Road, and I want to show you something unique about this property. Do you see all this wide open space behind me? This all goes with 1731 Pomeroy Road. Our county is now allowing up to 4 dwellings per APN. This property has a possibility of a lot split. I recently sold a 5-acre parcel not far from here for almost $600,000. With this property, you get a gorgeous Eschler-inspired mid-century modern home with so many possibilities. Check out the photos in this video and take a look at how special this property is and how much it has to offer, as well as all the designer features inside and a stunning outdoor kitchen outside. So if you want to see this incredible property, we have it open this Saturday, January 28th from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Come on by, we'd be happy to show you around. Once again, this is Shannon Bowdy with SLO Happy Homes. You have a SLO Happy day.